To scan a credit card on your iPhone, you will need to use the Wallet app or a third-party app that supports credit card scanning. Start by opening the Wallet app or the app you want to use to scan your credit card. If you are using the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. Next, select credit or debit card and tap Continue. You will then be prompted to scan your card using the camera. Place your credit card on a flat surface and position the camera over the card so that the card number and expiration date are visible. The camera will automatically detect the card details and fill in the information. You may need to adjust the position of the camera to get a clear view of the card. Once the information has been filled in, review it to ensure it is accurate. If the information is correct, tap Next to proceed. You may then be prompted to enter the security code on the back of your card. Enter the code and tap Next. Your card details will then be verified by your bank and you will receive a notification once the process is complete. You can also use third-party apps such as Amazon or Uber to scan your credit card by following similar steps. When scanning your credit card, make sure the card is on a flat surface and the lighting is good. This will help the camera to detect the card details accurately. Also, ensure you are scanning your card in a secure and private environment to avoid any potential security risks. By following these steps, you can easily scan your credit card on your iPhone and use it for mobile payments or other transactions. It is a convenient and secure way to make payments on the go.